Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in east central Florida, far northwestern Orange County in
Far
east central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Lake County line west of Leesburg to 7 miles west of Muscat, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard. Radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Groveland, Muscat, Oklahoma,
Groveland, Muscat,
Montshed, and Winter Garden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Special weather statement.